I'm a yacht chef, and today I'm flying to the Bahamas. I had a week-long break in the States, but now it's time to get back to work. I had my magic sky juice, which is ginger ale. I would never request ginger ale on land, but since I'm 30,000 feet up in the air, I need it. I landed in Georgetown, which has the smallest runway, and took a taxi back to the yacht. What a wild ride. But look, I made it to the marina. Thank goodness. Ooh, it's another Ocean Alexander Park next to us. While I was on break, Brian, the first mate, celebrated his birthday on board, and he loves jelly beans. We couldn't find any jelly beans in the store here in the Bahamas, so I brought some back for him. Hi, A-Team! How you doing? Did you bring candy? I brought him a birthday present. We made it! Wow. So I just need to unpack my backpacks, and then I'm gonna take a shower, because I hate traveling. Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. For breakfast this morning, I'm making scrambled eggs with sausage, spinach, and cheese. We picked up some local Bahamian bread that I'm gonna toast up and spread with butter. After breakfast was served, I went back into the galley to clean up, just to get ready for lunch. A light lunch was requested today, so I made pinwheels. For one of them, I did some cream cheese, olive tapenade, roast beef, provolone cheese, and lettuce. And for the next one, I did guacamole, turkey, and provolone cheese. Lunch is served, on to dinner prep. I started thawing my shrimp and cutting up my onions and bell peppers for shrimp and grits. I'll saute my veggies up in some butter until they're tender, and then I'll add in my shrimp. Throw my grits into some boiling water with salt and butter, plate everything up, and dinner served. After a while, you get tired of eating such rich food, so I like to pair my dinners with a salad. After dinner, I went back into the galley to clean up, and of course we have to end our night with a creamy. Tonight, we're having banana cream pie flavor. Bye, little chef. All right, I'll be in the hole. I have my walkie-talkie. Let's see what we got here. Bread. We gotta reorganize. Okay. Bacon. What in the heck? He did not do that to me. This is just... What? Ew, Mark, are we serious right now? This goes in the bait freezer. Nasty. Okay, I got some berries, acai packets, got shrimp, bottom round roast, some chicken breast, and some tip steak. We're gonna go on a drive. I don't know where. Big D's. Yep. Shut up. Why is it Japanese? Oh, I love that.
You like
what
it?
Did it
Yeah.
say?
It said,
in a minute what she's gonna
who's the fool driving this thing?
buckle up. Be safe.
Google lying.
Here's Dan Dragon's out.
I couldn't get you a collect light, right? I got you a collect bucket and a collect light glass.
You're the man.
Wait, we just get a collect bucket?
Yeah. And a collect light glass.
Nice.
You gotta cut my hair today.
I know. We'll do it when we get back on the boat.
When they're off, I still work. You know?
Oh, I know. When they're off, I'm still working. Who got them the money in the first? Who got?
The crew bought soursop, so I'm gonna taste some. Gotta take out the seed. I feel like I'm hitting another seed in there. I sure am. Take that guy out. I feel like the videos I saw, it was a lot more tender than what I'm cutting into. There's a lot of seeds. I like it. It's definitely sweet, but the aftertaste is a little funky. I mean, I don't mind the funkiness. Oh, more seeds. There's almost like a pulled pork texture to it. I don't know know what it is, but I tasted it before. It's almost like an unripe nectarine in taste. I dig it. Freaking good. Here's another crazy animal story. It was in Gainesville, and did you know that Gainesville has bison? They have something called Payne's Prairie. So we went on a hike down to Payne's Prairie, and I was like, I really want to see a buffalo. And we did. So we went out on the prairie, we saw the buffalo, and like, oh my gosh, that made my day. Let's go back because I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So I start running back, and the trail is pretty like curvy. So I'm going around all these curves, kind of looking down at the ground, and I take this turn, and there's a buffalo 5 feet in front of me, face to face with a buffalo, and Andrew's behind me. I'm like, stop. I start running, but like then I'm like, oh, I shouldn't run because the buffalo will charge me if I start running. So I start slowly backing away.
What was your initial reason to run? Though? You were in a hurry to get out of there?
Mosquito.
Yeah, I was getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.
So you started running for bugs.
Yeah, but I see this buffalo and I get freaked out and I try to run the opposite way. And like I've learned from being out west that you don't run from buffalo. They will charge you. So I start slowly backing away, and to the left and right of us are trees, and then about 10 yards back is the prairie. And if you get on the prairie and this guy starts charging, like there's nothing to stop you. So the trees were the best case scenario. So we're slowly backing up. We're probably like 10 feet away. He's not moving. He's just kind of staring at us. And we back up a little bit more, and he starts like walking toward us. And I think he just wants to get down to the prairie. So I was like, Andrew, what the heck do we do? There's trees on both sides. We back up a little more, probably like 15 feet away, and he starts running. So the buffalo's running toward us, or bison, whatever you want to call him. He's running toward us, and Andrew's like, get behind this tree, and we're just gonna like play chicken with him. So we get behind the tree, and he comes running towards the tree. I look out the other side, he's still running toward the tree, and he stops right before the tree, looks at us, and then just kind of walks off to the prairie.
Because you're behind the tree.
Yeah.
So you stare down the buffalo, but you're scared of a 2-foot snake.
Yes. I'm more scared of a snake than a buffalo. So I just made Mark's little like toast thing. It's coconut bread, regular butter, cookie butter, honey, and banana. He's onto something here. It's freaking delicious. Go ahead, show me your little masterpiece.
Gotta get it done first.
It's a work of art. Every night he has this.
A little Bahamian coconut bread, a little butter, very little peanut butter.
That is not peanut butter. Tell him what it actually is.
Cookie butter with some bananas from the island on top. Ooh, look out. Peace out, little chef.
You love the camera, don't you? You waiting for your little scoop?
No.
No. You said 7:30. What time is it?
Eventually, yeah.
It's exactly 7:30.